Did you know one tiny word can change your whole life?
What? No way. One word?
Yes, just one. Like asking a simple yes or no question in English.
Okay, wait. I ask questions every day, Luna.
Right. But in English, people get it so wrong.
Really? How?
They say, you like coffee instead of do you like coffee?
Oh, yeah, I hear that like a lot.
Exactly. Welcome to English Pod Center, by the way. I'm Luna.
And I'm Lucas. We forgot that part.
We did. So today we are looking at yes and no questions.
The big problem.
The very big problem, because if you mess up, people look at you funny,
Yeah, they do. They get confused.
like a lost dog.
A lost dog, yes.
So here is the secret. You need a helper word,
A helper word. Okay, like what?
like do or be.
Wait, slow down. Do or be?
Yep. Think of it like a key. You need a key to open a door, right?
Uh-huh. A key.
The helper word is the key. It opens the question.
Oh, wow, I like that. So give me an example, Luna.
Okay. You like pizza.
I love pizza.
No, that is a normal sentence. You like pizza.
Oh, right. Sorry. Yes, normal sentence.
To make it a question, we add the key at the start. Do you like pizza?
Do. The P is do.
Yes, exactly.
Wait, so I can't just say you like pizza and make my voice go up?
You can, but it is very casual. It is not, perfect English.
Ah, okay. So if I talk to a boss,
You use do. Do you have the report?
right. Not you have the report?
Exactly. It sounds too lazy.
Lazy. Yeah, that makes sense.
But wait, Lucas, there is a trap.
A trap. Oh no.
Yes, a big one. What if the sentence has the word is or are?
Like you are happy?
Yes, you are happy. Make that a question.
Okay, I use the key. Do you are happy?
Burr, wrong.
Oh man, why? I used the key.
You used the wrong key.
What? But you said,
I said do or be. If the sentence has are, that is part of be.
oh, so wait, let me think.
Go ahead.
Do I say, are you happy?
Yes, you just move R to the front.
Oh, wow. So the key is already there.
Yes, it is like a magic door. It is already open,
I just have to move it. That is so easy.
right? You are happy becomes are you happy?
Okay, I get it now.
Let's do a quick test for the listeners too.
Oh, good idea.
Okay, listen carefully, guys.
I am listening.
So I say a sentence. Let's say he is tall.
Okay, he is tall. Got it.
Lucas, what is the question? And listeners, you try too.
Okay, let me think. Is he tall?
Yes, exactly.
Wow, that feels good. Is he tall?
You just take is and throw it to the front.
Like a ball. Just like throw it to the front. Like a ball. Yes. Let's do one more. Hit me. Wait, give me another one.
Okay. They are hungry.
They are hungry. So listeners, what is it?
I hope they said it.
I bet they did. It is, are they hungry?
Boom. Perfect. You guys are so smart.
This is fun. It is like a game, Luna.
Right? English is just a game. But
Uh-oh, I do not like buts.
yeah, there is a small problem.
I knew it. It was too easy.
Well, what if there is no am, is, or are?
What do you mean?
Like, you like pizza.
Oh, you like pizza. There is no R in that.
Exactly. You cannot say, like you pizza.
Like you pizza. No, that sounds wrong.
It sounds very, very wrong.
So, wait, what do we do then?
We need a helper. A magic helper word.
A helper word?
Yes, we use do.
Do? Just the word D-O?
Yes, just put do at the very front.
So, do you like pizza?
Ding, ding, ding. Yes,
Wait, really? Just put do in the front?
that is it. Nothing else changes.
So the sentence, it stays exactly the same. You like pizza.
Exactly. You just add do before it.
Do you like pizza? Wow.
It is like putting a hat on the sentence.
Putting a hat on it?
Yeah, the hat makes it a question.
I love that. The do hat.
So let's practice this, Lucas.
Okay, I am ready for the hat.
Sentence, you speak English.
Listeners, put the hat on it.
Put the hat on. What is it?
Do you speak English?
Yes. So easy, right?
Luna, that is literally so easy.
Let's do another one. You play tennis.
Do you play tennis?
They sleep a lot.
Oh, do they sleep a lot?
See? You are a pro now.
I feel like a pro. But wait, what about he or she?
That is the big question, Lucas.
I knew it. It changes, right?
It changes, but only a little.
Okay, give it to me.
So for he, she, and it, we don't use do. We use does.
Does. D-O-E-S?
Yes. Like, does he like pizza?
Oh, okay. Does he like pizza? That sounds normal.
Right. But here is the crazy part, the trick.
There is always a trick.
Always. So listen to this sentence. He likes pizza.
Okay. He likes pizza with an S.
Yes, but when we make a question, does he like pizza?
Wait, what happened to the S?
Exactly. Where did it go?
You said like, not likes.
Yep, because does is like a hungry monster.
A hungry monster?
Yeah, does eats the S on the verb.
It eats the S.
Literally eats it. So you have he plays tennis. Make it a question.
Does he plays tennis?
Ah, the monster.
Oh, right. The monster ate the S.
Yes, so try again.
Does he play tennis?
Boom, perfect.
Wow, okay, that monster thing is really helpful, Luna.
I know, right? It makes it so visual.
So if I say she works here, the question is,
Think of the monster.
does she work here?
Yes, you got it.
No S on work because does took it.
Exactly. So many students, like all the time, they say, does she works?
Yeah, I hear that a lot.
It is wrong. The monster already ate the S in does.
Right, because do becomes does, so the S is already there.
Oh my gosh, Lucas, yes, you are so smart today.
I just drink a lot of coffee, honestly.
Well, keep drinking it. Let's do rapid fire again.
I am ready. Hit me.
It rains a lot.
Does it rain a lot?
Beautiful. He runs fast.
Does he run fast?
She loves cats.
Does she love cats?
You are on fire.
This is easy. Wait, let me try one on you.
Oh, okay. Go ahead.
My dog eats shoes.
Bad dog. Okay. Does your dog eat shoes?
Yes, notice I didn't say he or she, I said my dog.
That is a very good point, Lucas. My dog is an it, or a he or she.
So it uses does too?
Exactly. One dog, one person, one thing, we use does.
Okay, let me make sure I have this straight. Go for it.
Summarize it for the people.
I, you, we, they use do. He, she, it use does. And no S on the next word.
Yes, perfect. You got it, Lucas.
Wow, I mean, is it really that easy?
It is, but people forget the no S part a lot.
Right, like they say, does he likes apples?
Exactly. Big mistake. Just say, does he like apples?
Okay, I want to do a fast quiz.
Oh, a quiz for me?
No, for the listeners. Let's test them.
Love it. How does it work?
I say a sentence, you give them like 3 seconds to think.
Ooh, fun. Okay, ready? Go.
Number 1. They play tennis.
Tick tock, tick tock.
Do they play tennis?
Nice. If you said, do they play tennis, you are right.
Okay, next one. Be careful. She drinks coffee.
Wait, she drinks? Think about it, guys.
Does she drink coffee?
Aha, no S on drink. Does she drink coffee?
Yeah, you gotta drop the S.
Okay, my turn. I have one.
Oh boy, here we go.
The grumpy waiter brings food.
The grumpy waiter is back.
Yes, he is. Okay, listeners, make a question.
Does the grumpy waiter bring food?
Spot on, Lucas.
I mean, I hope he brings food. He is a waiter.
A bad one, but yes. Does the grumpy waiter bring food?
This is actually like really fun.
Right? Learning is fun when it is simple.
Yeah, confusing rules are the worst.
So the rule is simple. Do and does. They are your helpers.
They open the door for the question.
Exactly.
They stand at the front.
Like guards.
Sure, question guards. I like that.
So what if the answer is no?
Oh, that is for our next podcast, Lucas.
What? You can't just stop now.
We have to. We are out of time.
Fine. Next time then.
Yes, next time we talk about saying no, don't, and doesn't.
Oh man, more words?
Simple words, I promise.
Okay, I will trust you, Luna.
Good. Now we have a challenge for you guys listening.
Ooh, homework? Let me give it.
Go ahead.
Write one do question and one does question in the comments.
I love that. Maybe ask about your dog.
Yeah, does your dog eat shoes? Tell us.
We want to know. And we will read your comments.
So make sure to drop the S.
Perfect. Well, thank you guys so much for listening.
Yeah, you guys are awesome.
If this helped you, please subscribe to English Pod Center.
Hit the like button too. It makes the grumpy waiter happy.
Yes, subscribe to English Pod Center so he smiles.
See you next time, guys. Bye.